Hey y'all, I'm Vanessa. Today we're doing a tutorial with the Violet Voss Berry Burst Fun Sized Palette. This cute little gal looks like this, and you get a mirror and 10 shades? Yes, 10 shades. So, this is $18. I got this at Sephora, and I kind of hate to say it because I love the Lime Crime little XS palette. But you get 10 shades in this as opposed to 4 shades in the Lime Crime palette, and it's $20. So that's just my opinion. You get a lot more variety in here. And I mean, for the price, they're practically the same price. But if you guys want to see how I got this look, then let's get into it. So it is snowing outside and I have my hot chocolate here. I'm so excited about this. I'm not a coffee drinker, but I love hot chocolate. So I'm gonna drink this and then we are gonna get started on the ice. Okay, so I drank that hot chocolate way too fast. Now my stomach's upset. Great. Okay, anyway. Let's get into the Violet Voss Berry Burst Fun Sized Palette. And I'm trying to figure out what I want to do. This is not a first impressions. I have used this a few times before, so I already know how I feel about it. But I don't know which direction I want to go, because you could stay totally brown and neutral, or you can use the berry tones down here. So I'm first gonna mix these two shades right here. We are going to put that in our crease, and you can see that these are pigmented and beautiful. So we're just blending that out, putting this in our upper crease, and just kind of blending up. Just laying a base down. Let me scoot in a little bit. Now I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, and I'm gonna load up my brush pretty dang good, and then start to put this in the crease. And every single time I have worn this palette, I have gotten compliments on my eye look. So I will say that people do notice these colors. Same thing, just building it up. And then once I get the color down, I'm lightly blending it upward in circular motions. Now I'm taking that on my outer corner and just kind of going up and out with it, just to make the shape a little bit more. And then just right above our edges, I'm just gently buffing them out. All right, now I'm taking our teeny tiny Morphe M507 and I'm going in with the darkest shade right here. And I'm just going to darken up our outer V just a smidge. And I'm bringing that just a little bit into the crease. Not completely in, like, to our inner corner. Just a little bit in the crease area. Just like so. And I'm going to take our first brush and just gently buff over this whole area. Now, let me show you a couple swatches of the metallics in here, because they are flippin' stunning. Like, one swipe, you guys see that, oh my word. And then let me get this on camera here. Those were all just one swipe. Did I get all of them? Oh no, I have one right here. One swipe. This is an old swatch, don't look at that. But holy cow, they're flippin' stunning. And I think I'm gonna go in with the bronzier gold shade, just where we use that berry tone. on the eye, but I've worn all of these, but yesterday I wore this, and oh my gosh, it is stunning. It is this guy right here. It's absolutely beautiful. And this one is like a duochrome pinky gold. They're seriously beautiful. But yeah, let's go in with the gold bronzy shade here. And I didn't cut the crease or anything. I'm just using my finger dry. And you can see how absolutely pigmented and beautiful these are. And this palette was my first Violet Voss palette. And I will definitely say that I'm hooked. I absolutely love this palette. I'm going back in with our brown, just a little bit right here on our edge, and a little bit of our main color, that berry tone shade. And that's it. Super quick, super easy. And I'm going to go off camera, do this other eye, and I'll be right back. So I wanted to pop back on so we could do the lower lash line. I don't know why, we're just doing it. But since we didn't use this on the top, we're going to go in with this pink and then this darker berry. So I have the same brush. It's the Morphe M507. And we're just taking that pink right on our lower lash line. And you can see that this gal is pigmented. Like, it almost looks the same color as the berry shade. It's crazy. Like, it's pigmented. It's by far one of the most pigmented pinks that I have seen. And then the darker one, we're taking that right underneath, actually. We are going to grab a little bit of this shade and put that on our inner corners. We're just going to dot that right in the inner corner and just kind of connect the pink with everything else. That shade is seriously beautiful. Like, holy cow. Okay, now I'm gonna go off camera, throw on some lashes and stuff. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is our finished look, and I have to say that I really do love it. My eyebrows are struggling today, so I know, I'm sorry, but I know. And I use Trust Fund Beauty Lipgasm on my lips. Eyelure 117 lashes. I threw a little black on my lower inner rim. And this is it. So, do I like this palette? Do I love this palette? Do I hate it? I think you guys know already. I absolutely love this palette. I will definitely be getting more Violet Voss palettes. I think that it's super pigmented. They're super easy to work with. They're not so pigmented that you're going to struggle a little bit. No, they just go on beautifully, and they're beautifully pigmented. That's the whole thing. Like, there's a fine line between super pigmented and too pigmented. These just really blend out easily. You can use any of these shades to create a one shadow look. It's just, I love this palette so much. And it was only $18. So I highly, highly recommend. I do love the way this turned out, and I hope you guys subscribe, and I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.